Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to show you guys how to completely uninstall and remove the Groove music player from Windows 10. So this is going to be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and I just wanted to make a brief one just showing you guys how to do it if it was really bothering you and you wanted to remove it. This tutorial will be for you guys. So we're going to start by heading over to the Start menu, and we're going to type in PowerShell. So on Windows 10 it says Windows PowerShell. You're going to want to right click on it and then left click on Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control window, you want to select Yes. Now that we are in an elevated PowerShell window, we want to type in Get. Then you want to do a minus sign, app, x, package, space. This is very important. You want to do a space here, and then minus sign, all users, and then you want to hit enter. Please keep in mind that we're doing minus, we're not doing the long dash, the long horizontal line. We're doing a small one, like if you were going to do a minus sign. So then once you're done typing that, you want to hit enter. So this will take a couple minutes, so just be patient. So it's going to be underneath Microsoft.Zune. So it's going to be like Zune music. Keep that in mind, it's not going to be Groove, it's going to say Zune. So if you actually right click on the top of this screen and then you left click on Edit and then select Find, or you could also type Control F on your keyboard if you're searching any other normal window. For Find What, you want to type in Zune Music, one word, and then you want to left click on Find Next. So this is the area we want to go in. So where it says package full name here, you want to highlight over it. Well, first we have to close out of this Find window, but first we want to highlight over this. Sorry about that. We want to highlight over right where across from where it says package full name. And I'm going to do Control C on my keyboard, so Control NC. So I'm going to hold that down to copy. Do it one more time just so you guys saw what I'm doing. Right across from package full name, Control C to copy. So now you want to scroll all the way down on this window. Or actually not all the way down, you want to scroll to this point at the bottom and you want to type remove minus sign app x package, and then you want to do a space, and now using Control V, you can Control NV on your keyboard or right clicking up here and then go under edit and paste. You want to paste in what we copied earlier, and once you're done pasting that in, all you do is press enter, and then it'll pretty much be an automatic process from there. So now it has been removed. Zune Music, also known as Groove Music, has been removed from our computer. So you can close out of the Windows PowerShell window and restart your computer and you should be good to go. So if we actually open up here, type in Groove, you see we have the option to install the app, but it's not actually on our computer. So I hope this brief tutorial helped you guys out, and I will catch you in the next video. Goodbye.